Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you my work week outfits, and I have planned 5 outfits for this video. Most of the stuff I got at Burlington Coat Factory. So without wasting much time, let's start with the video. So this is the bag from Coach. I have a full review on this. I'll put that link in the description box below in case you want to check it out. I'll be using it throughout my week. And here are the sandals, and these are from CK. Again, I got them from Burlington Coat Factory and I love them. I'll be using them with all of my outfits. So guys, this is my first outfit. It's from CK. And I really love the design, the fit and flare. I really love it, and you can see how I styled it. But if you are not comfortable wearing sleeveless, you can pair a jacket on top of it, which I'll show you. So here is the sweater which I'm wearing. It makes you feel comfortable in office because sometimes office atmosphere is really cool for you to handle, which happens to me all the time. So I love to pair my jackets or sweaters over the top. And again, this dress is also from CK. I really love the bell bell arm design. It's really good, and these white strips are on the right places, which kind of cinches your waist and makes you look slimmer, and you cannot go wrong with the black. So this is my most favorite outfit, and I'm also loving the length on these dresses. I love how they are just covering my knees and making them like more work appropriate. And the stuff on these dresses is really good. So this is my third outfit and I really love it. This is little bit relaxed below the stomach, so if you have those days when your stomach is little bit bloated, I think this would be good option. And again, you can pair it with some jacket. I had this in my collection, so I added it on top of it. And again, I think I got it from Burlington as well. So you can even add a sweater or a long shrug types, but I like this. This is my second favorite. I think this dress is from Tommy, and I mean, this is kind of dress which you can dress up casually and formally both. So I paired it with this jacket. This jacket is also from Burlington Coat Factory, and I really love this jacket. I mean, I don't know, it's looking little crimson, but it's red, and I really love how this outfit is looking on camera now. So this is my fourth outfit. And guys, Fridays are almost like a casual days, so I thought of planning this outfit. The jeans is from Seven and top is from Hollister. I really love the bell sleeves on this. It's really giving it casual yet formal look. So I really love this outfit, and those were all my outfit for the work week. I hope you like those. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.